My name is Tom Ewing, and feel free to address me as Tom or Mr. Ewing or Dr. Ewing, as you so choose. In fact, usually everyone starts off calling me Tom, and we're very, very friendly for the first week or so, and then we have our first test, and suddenly I become Mr. Ewing. Math012 is the middle course in a 3-course sequence at Maryland that begins with Math 009 and goes forward to Math 107. The important thing about Math 012 is what you learn here. Your grade in this course will affect your GPA. However, this course does not satisfy your math requirement, and it is not transferable to another university. The purpose of taking this course is to get the highest grade you can in the Math 107 course, which comes next. This is the real algebra course at Maryland. It is the one that will satisfy your degree requirements and will transfer to another university. Since the important thing to do into Math 012 is to learn, then we emphasize the learning in this course. Your grade will come of itself. Just to give you an aside, most students in this course actually do achieve a grade of A or B, because we set it up so that the grade is not a major problem. What we want is the learning to be accomplished, because when you do get to Math 107, you may be able to do the beginnings of those problems on a test very well, because you're quite bright. But when it comes to finishing the problem, to using some arithmetic or some basic algebra, you may crash and burn. Not because you can't understand Math 107, you understand that quite well, but because you don't have the fundamentals. And in Math 107, they will not stop to teach you the fundamentals there. You must know the fundamentals going in. So this is the place where you do learn the fundamentals, not for what they're worth here, but for what they're worth to you in the next course. We know that you cannot learn math by listening to me, even though it may hurt for me to admit that. It's absolutely true. You also cannot learn math by reading the book. The only way you can learn to do math is by doing math. And since I know that, I ensure that you do actually do quite a bit of math in this course so that you can learn these fundamentals and do a good job in the course that you really do want to do a good job on, the one that comes next. We will use My Math Lab quite extensively in this course, and each week you will have an assignment in My Math Lab, and as you do that assignment, you are permitted to do each problem as many times as you care to until you finally learn it and do get it right. Then when we take our quizzes, we will also take them in My Math Lab, and when you take a quiz, you are entitled to work each problem as many as 3 times before you have to let go of it, and you do want to learn how to do it within those 3 times. Now, it's very, very hard to learn math from a book. Math is best learned from a person, and for that reason, each week I will select some number of YouTube videos on the math topics for that week and require that you view these videos. I may also supplement it with some own lectures of my own, as I am doing right now. And after you view these videos, then I will require you to go to YouTube and select one video yourself on a topic of that week's work and to post your selection into our Leo classroom. Then I will also require you to critique at least one other of your classmates' selected videos so that you get a wide expanse of selections from teachers. These teachers that make these YouTube videos usually give very good presentations. Most of them are fairly short, 3 to 5 minutes. So you can search on exactly the topic that you want to know about and see some very good short videos on how to get there. But once again, even after you see the videos and even after you read the book, the only way that you can learn math is by actually doing it. The learning doesn't start until you address the problem yourself. So the syllabus is out there now, so I encourage you to read the syllabus to see what the policies are for the course and to also see where your grade is going to come from. Thanks very much.